Hello folks, Akshay Gupta here. And if you are a YouTuber, agency owner, ad specialist, or a small or medium business owner, you know that videos are the big trend. Also, visual assets and videos are the lifeblood of any online or offline business. But this can quickly turn into a headache for you. You know why? Because using copyrighted visuals and characters will get your videos penalized. It's really tough to find good copyright-free visual assets. Creating original 3D and explainer characters, even videos, require a lot of skills and talent. Creative subscription service also costs hundreds of dollars every month. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork demand a hefty amount for a single 3D character or even a video. I've even spent thousands of dollars every month for a good high-quality 3D illustration. The list goes on and on, one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another exciting product for you, a software actually that is called ExplanerVideoz, and this one, as you can see from this diagram, is an instrument that's going to help you create your marketing videos with doodles like this, where you will be able to sort of explain whatever you are doing online using these videos that are so illustrative. And definitely you can have this as a service on Fiverr, on Upwork, or Freelancer, and that means you'll be making money with this and providing it as service for yourself and exactly for others. This is an amazing one. It's going live on the 15th of March 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And of course it's going live by my friend Akshay Gupta and Jaideep. These are amazing creators, the creators of Backlink Maker and a host of other fast access products that I have gotten positive reviews from. If at any point you decide to get this one, ExplanerVideoz, there is a link below in my description area. That first link will bring you to the very bonus page of mine. Exactly right now we are on the dashboard area of this, but if you click that link, it's going to bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine, where you will pick up a copy of this using this button or any of the other ones scattered all over this page. And when you do, it will be a copy of this will become yours. And of course, if you stick with me, I will show you the sales page as well. You have already seen the dashboard area, and we are going to exactly work together to see how this is going to help you. My name is Mike of the MikeandBaluwe.com. If you are new to my channel, this is the time I encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I'll be back to you anytime. Of course, get notified whenever I upload any content on my channel. Today, now let us just go into more details about this one. Akshay Gupta said that ExplanerVideoz will help you get instant access to the world's first AI-based ExplanerVideoz character generator platform to create unlimited high-quality explainer and animated videos for any niche in just a few clicks. And you have thousands of pre-made videos templates with unique inbuilt video editor. I have seen all that, and you are going to follow me to see that as well. And you can use this and sell unlimited explainer videos to your clients with commercial license. And of course, like I told you, this link will get you to the sales page, where you will be able to pick up a copy of this using any of the other links like this one. You'll be able to have that as a copy for yourself. Now, before we go further into any other thing, let us just go through the sales page and see exactly what are the benefits that you have with this one, because I mean, it's all about you. Now, one of the first benefits is that the professional animated ExplanerVideoz are cloud-based platform, and everything is done under one dashboard. You generate unlimited unique animated characters for all your projects, and it is 100% AI-based platform. That means it is has artificial intelligence capability, where everything is inbuilt for you, and you have inbuilt image to sketch converter tool. You have extra royalty-free assets with no copyrights, and you have you can get thousands of HD video templates, and your AI-based text-to-speech converter tool. You have commercial license included, no limitations, completely free, sell unlimited assets, VSLs, and videos to earn like the big boys and no special skills or experiences, where it's a copy and paste arrangement, an unlimited one-click download, an inbuilt advanced video and image editor. I saw all those in my review of the members area, which you are going to see with me. Now, I will also put the link to the very software in action in my description so that you see exactly what this is going to do for you. And he says, lastly, that you will get $200 refund if this very instrument did not work for you or does not work for you. Okay, so you can see that is the guarantee you have, and you have 30-day money back guarantee, of course, on this one. So you see, let us explore and see exactly what some of the things you are going to be able to do with this. And it has 3 basic steps for you to be able to set this one up. Step 1 is to log into this very dashboard, which is exactly this. And then step 2 will be AI will automatically generate unique animated explainer and 3D characters based on your selected category. And then step 3 will be preview and download in one click and create unlimited videos and use it for yourself or sell to your clients and keep the profits for yourself. So you see, you have thousands of people who are tired of using old and boring flat illustrations that have shifted. This explainer video will be able to actually get you all of these very capabilities online, trying to imagine being able to visualize your idea and use these doodle images, these very animated images, or even the ones that are not dynamic, to actually explain your videos. In these days and age, you can say that AI does most of these things, and people understand better when these figures and characters actually explaining. So it is, you will see it in sales pages and in sales videos and marketing videos. In these days and age, you can see that this is exactly making money for people. That means if you buy this and use it as an agency business on Fiverr or Upwork, you'll be able to actually make money using this, probably on a daily basis. Okay, so all you do is to put your profile there, your gig on Fiverr or Upwork, and people will definitely use your services, and you use this very application to actually create such videos. Since it has the ability to convert text to speech, that means you can copyright your text and then of course feed it to the system where it is going to convert it to voice, therefore fusing the voice note that is already created with the instrument and the animated video that you have. So you have your business lined up for you, and you can use, of course, any of the AI capabilities to actually generate content for yourself, like ChatGPT and all that. And it has this capability, all of them in one dashboard. So it's an amazing product as long as I'm concerned. Okay, now let's go down and see. These are some of the amazing testimonials for this very one, for the beta testers of this. This is what they are saying, and you'll be able to have access to all of this at your convenience when you arrive here on the sales page. Now let us see if we can go more further, but I think the best thing would be to leave most of this sales page to you, so that you'll be able to sort of go through it yourself and see if this is going to be for you. Okay, and these are some of the other funds you spend on probably a monthly basis trying to actually get such things done, from services from other people, freelancers. You pay $19 per month, and then in a year you're talking about $228, and you have here $49 per month. You have $588 per year, and here you have $39 per month, and all the money you spend every year on such things, you can always have that now in a dashboard with this ExplanerVideoz instrument. Okay, so it's really timely, and you can always create animated characters like this, static or dynamic, and you'll be able to use them in your own marketing. And you see it's everywhere. You can even create short cartoons for kids and all that, and sell it on Amazon Kindle or on any of the marketplaces out there. Okay, so you have complete business in a box with this one. And I will leave the demo video of this one in my description, like I said before, so that you see exactly how it is working. That video is this, but I will leave that link so that once you click that link, it will give you access to watch it and see how it works, and see how you can use the training also to fix this very instrument for yourself. Okay, I will leave the rest of the sales page here so that we can return to my bonus page and look at the pricing before we go to the members area. But I believe that the best thing should be to go to the members area first. This is exactly the dashboard, and here you can generate character. Clicking that button, you will be able to generate character. If you click on animated character, definitely you will be able to generate anyone you want. You can regenerate to give it another position. You know, you can keep actually regenerating, and you'll be able to have all the characters you need. If you regenerate, it will give you another thing, and you will always have the way to fuse all these things together to create your own videos. That's about the generation of characters. And here you have the 3D library, which is where you get some of the amazing characters. Let's try this and see if it's going to give us different characters. As you can see, you can download this and make use of it depending on the characters you want to deploy on this one. It will be able to help you do so. Okay, so now let's go to the tools. Image to sketch. This is one of the tools you have. You can drag any tool, any image whatsoever into this very box and use it to actually generate whatever moves you want, and you'll be able to use that as for yourself. Definitely, that is what about this. Now you can have the background remover here. In case you have to remove background of any image, you drag that image or upload it in this very section. This is where you search your images, and then you can search image for like maybe probably family. You can say search image for family and then click search. You see it gives you image for family that you can use in your work. And then here you can always search videos as well. If you search video for lifestyle, my lifestyle for example, lifestyle, and you click search, it's going to give you videos on lifestyle, and you can load more with this button. It's going to give you more and more videos on lifestyle. It could be someone working from home or anything of that sort, and then you have sketch with this button, and you have the editor, image editor. Of course, this is it. It's going to open up to the image editor. You can resize your image, you can crop your image, you can draw on it, you can add text, you can do shapes, you can actually use a sticker. Okay, if we can do this image for example, if we click that, we can add text by actually picking up a color that we desire, so that we pick up a color for example, and then we add text like this. Add text. So this is the text we're adding. You can delete what you have here. Say wonderful scene, wonderful scene, and you can change the color to suit you, and then of course you can increase the position of the very image that you are actually working on by taking it to this place. And then of course, if I change this to black, it's going to be this, and then you can increase the size with this button, and you can shape it and center it as you desire. It's in center now. Wonderful scene. So this is exactly how you actually edit your image, and you'll be able to resize it as you desire, and that will become useful to you. And here you can have also video editor button here, where you can edit your video, so that you will be able to sort of engineer the video the way you want. Advanced editor for Windows, advanced editor for Mac, advanced editor for Linux. Okay, so you have all of that there, and you have video templates with this button, so that you can choose the templates that are already programmed to work for you. You can download animated video templates, parallax video templates, you have title video templates, you have presentation video templates, cinematic video templates, and all the rest of them, logo intro templates and logo outro templates. All this you can actually download by clicking any of this button. Okay, if you click like This one, for example, is going to take you to another page where you can see the possibility of changing that, and I don't want to sign anything for now, so we leave this for now. Now let us see if we can this is the button that will give you access to the tutorial. So it's very clear how you can use this very one, and of course at your convenience you'll be able to have access to all of this. Now let us see the pricing for this amazing video explainer instrument, and you'll be able to have access to the very pricing. The front end goes for $17, and this will give you access to all of these capabilities. You have the Pro version, which is the unlimited. This is the OTO number 1. It goes for $37, and it has a reseller commercial license. That means you can have everything unlimited and also have pro features, and you have reseller license, which is exactly unlimited. That means you can sell this with this very upgrade. You can sell this to anybody with a license as if it is your own. And you have the OTO number 2. The OTO number 2 will be $47, and that's diamonds, which is going to give you some of this higher quality and more unlimited approach to your work with this very ExplanerVideoz instrument. And you have the OTO number 3, $37. This will give you further builder app, 100 plus lead pages, and you have 100 plus website and funnel templates. You have the OTO number 4 for $67. This is 100% commission bump and unlimited license. You have OTO number 5 for $197, and this one is the white label edition. With this, you can rebrand this product as if it's your own. Change your logo and change your anything you want to change and make it your own, and then sell it on Warrior Plus or any of the other marketplaces. Okay, so that's what you have. Now let me show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My premium bonus is the Daily Profit Success, which is a training course on how you can make profits on daily basis on autopilot. And you have my bonus number 2, which has a product vault of 17 amazing bonuses, and this comprise of training courses and software that will help you in making money online. And you have this one, which is number 3, which is Commission Toolbox with over 1,000 tools online, image editors, video editors, background removers, link shorteners, plugins, bots, everything you want to use online to make money. This you will find in over 1,000 tools and links that you have on this bonus. Now you have this one, which is I guess the last one or the 4th one, how to rank any site on page number 1 on Google, and you'll be able to do all of that yourself. And you have the last bonus for you, 3 monetization strategies, how you can monetize your site, your blog, your videos, your channel, your website, everything you want to monetize. You have 3 different strategies to do so with this very training course. And at any point you decide to buy this one, use this link. It will take you to the sales page where you pick up a copy of this using any of the links like this. When you do, under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, you'll find a page that looks like this, which will give you access to 2 buttons. This one gives you access to ExplanerVideoz, and here you have the button giving you access to amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. And if you buy with my link, I will definitely send you another amazing page of 10 different courses that you are going to utilize to make money online. And for that one, I will send by email address to your email box, so that you use this one on Warrior Plus account to actually get started making money online. Okay, so that's about what I have for you, as long as this very ExplanerVideoz from Akshat Gupta is concerned. And definitely, like I said before, if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, remain your Mike of the MikeOfBadewa.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, guys, it's goodbye.